If you show up in that answer, they are pre-sold. They are already convinced they need a solution in that category. Your job is just to be the recommendation. This is completely different from Google traffic, where someone is still early in their research and may not even know what they want. Your customers are asking ChatGPT what to buy instead of Googling it. And right now, your competitor is getting the recommendations, not you. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. We have been already talking about why AI search is already bigger than most people realize. The exact 3 things your content needs to get recommended, real companies making 6 figures from AI traffic, and most importantly, how to turn those AI discovered visitors into actually paying customers. Because here's the thing, traffic means nothing if it doesn't convert, but when you do this right, you get both. Let me show you what's exactly happening right now. Google processes about 8.5 billion searches per day. That's massive. But here's what changed in the last 18 months. ChatGPT went from 100 million to 200 million users. Perplexity is growing 800% year over year. And when someone asks these AI tools what to buy, they are not getting 10 blue links. They're getting a recommendation. Here's what I'm seeking with clients right now. We worked with a UK SaaS-based company, good product, ranked well on Google, making money, but not enough. In month 1, they started getting discovered through AI search. Not huge numbers, maybe 200 visits. But here's the key metric. 35% of those AI visitors converted to lead. Compare that to their Google traffic at 8%. By month 3, they had 1,200 visits from AI per month. That's 420 qualified leads. At their average deal size, that's 6 figures per month from just one channel. You might be wondering why the conversion rate is so much higher. It's because the person asking the AI already made a decision. They're not researching anymore. They want a recommendation. When someone types best project management software for remote teams, they're already ready to buy. They want to know what the AI recommends. If you show up in that answer, they are pre-sold. They are already convinced they need a solution in that category. Your job is just to be the recommendation. This is completely different from Google traffic, where someone is still early in their research and may not even know what they want. All right, now the question is, how do you get recommended by AI? There are 3 pillars. Think of them as your foundation, your content, and your credibility. Pillar number 1, you still need to rank on Google. I know that sounds obvious, but this is important. AI systems crawl the same pages Google crawls. ChatGPT uses Bing's index. Perplexity runs its own crawler, but they're both pulling from pages that already rank in traditional search. If you're on page 7 of Google for your keywords, you're invisible to AI too. But here's the good news. If you're on page 1 of Google, you're already halfway to showing up in AI. Pillar number 2, your content structure matters. AI systems don't just look at what you write. They look at how you write it. Here's what AI systems favor. Number 1, clear structure. Short paragraphs, bold subheadings. Your main answer in the first paragraph. Number 2, first-hand experience. Real expertise, real case studies. Think about it. AI can generate generic information on any topic. What it can't do is provide original insights and genuine expertise. So, when you include things like real data from your clients, before and after case studies, personal expertise and experience, and specific examples and numbers, AI systems take notice. They're like, okay, this person actually knows what they're talking about. And number 3, depth. Cover your topic completely. Don't just write a 500-word blog post when you should write a 3,000-word guide. The companies getting getting recommended in AI. They are the ones with comprehensive content that covers every angle of the topic. Pillar number 3, your credibility across the web. This is one of the most people miss. AI systems don't just look at your website. They crawl thousands of sources. They are looking at tech blogs writing about your product, industry, publications mentioning you, Reddit discussions about your brand, reviews and testimonials, and press coverage. All of this feeds into how the AI perceives your brand. Here's an example. Notion is everywhere in AI recommendations for productivity tools. Why? Because TechCrunch wrote about them. Thousands of Reddit threads praise them. YouTube creators constantly feature them, and they have mentioned in dozens of best of lists. The AI sees this pattern and thinks, okay, Notion is clearly the authority here. So your job isn't just to create good content on your website, it is to create good content and make sure you are getting mentioned by credible sources across the web. This is why digital PR matters. This is why getting featured in publication matters. This is why having a strong online reputation matters. Okay, so you're doing all these 3 pillars. You're ranking on Google, you've got a great content, and you're getting mentioned across the web. Now, visitors are finding you through AI search. But here's the $1 million question. How do you convert them into actual paying customers? Most businesses don't have a funnel for this. They just hope it happens. The company is winning right now. They have a system. Here's the funnel. Step 1, capture intent. When someone finds you through AI, they are interested. Don't waste it. You need an exit intent offer. Something that says, hey, before you leave, would you like this specific value? Examples are, get your free AI visibility score. See how you rank against competitors. Download the AI search checklist. Best performing offers get 25 to 35% click rates. Step 2, qualify your leads. Not all visitors are your customers. You need to ask qualifying questions. What's your main challenge? When do you need results? What's your company size? What's your budget range? This is crucial because it separates hot leads from tire kickers. Step 3, email sequence. The people who downloaded your offer, you're going to email them. Not salesly emails, educational emails that build trust. Over 7 days, you send emails that show special proof with case studies, address their pain points, build credibility, and eventually ask for a meeting. Email open rates on this sequence 35 to 45%, and the people who open, they are serious buyers. Step 4, book a call. At the end of your email sequence, you have a call to action to book a meeting. But here's the key. Use a booking calendar like Calendly. Make it effortless. The conversion rate, about 40 to 50% of qualified leads will book a call. Step 5, close the deal. On that call, your job is simple. Number 1, understand their problem. Number 2, show them the opportunity. Number 3, ask if they want to work together. If you've done steps 1 through 4 correctly, they're already halfway sold. Close rates on these calls, 30 to 40% of people who show up will become clients. Let me show you the math on this. Say you get 10,000 views on a video like this. 20% click your exit intent offer. That's 2,000 people. 45% of those download your load magnet. That's 900 leads. You email them, 30% through your email sequence. Of those, 40% book a call. That's 108 people. Of those, 35% become clients. That's 38 new clients from 10,000 views. At a $5,000 average project value, that's about 190,000 in revenue. This isn't a theory. Companies are doing this right now. Let me show you 2 real examples. Case study 1, UK SaaS company did project management software. Good product, but invisible in AI. They implemented this exact funnel. Month 1, 0 deals from AI. Month 2, 3 deals from AI. USD 15,000 month 3. 8 deals from AI. USD 40,000 by month 6. They are making 180,000 per month from just this channel. What changed? They got intentional. They ranked on Google. They created better content. They built a capture funnel. They followed up. Most of their competitors still waiting around hoping for sales. Case study number 2. US digital agency. They were one of the 500 agencies in their market. Low conversion rates, lots of tire kickers. They rebranded to focus on AI search optimization. They created case studies. They built this funnel. Result, instead of 20 leads a month, they're getting about 150 leads now. Instead of 3 deals, they're closing 15 deals a month. Their revenue went from 60,000 USD to 225,000 USD per month. And the best part, these are pre-qualified lead. Nobody's wasting anybody's time. Here's the thing, the window is open right now. Your competitors probably don't even know AI search is a thing. But in 6 to 12 months, everyone will be doing this. It will be a table stakes. The question isn't whether you should do this, it's do you want to lead or do you want to chase your competitors? If you want to be the company that AI recommends, the company that converts those AI visitors into paying customers, you need to start right now. I've created something for you. It's called the AI search conversion checklist. It walks you through how to identify if your industry is being recommended by AI more. The exact exit intent offer that converts 30% or more. How to qualify leads so you don't waste time. The email sequence that gets 40% open rates and the conversion funnel top companies are using. It's free. It's in the description. Download it. And in 10 minutes, you'll know exactly where your opportunity is. But honestly, the real magic isn't in a checklist. The magic is in execution. So download it, implement one thing this week, and let me know what happens in the comments. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. We are dropping new conversion focused SEO content every single week. Thank you so much for watching. Now go convert some AI discovered visitors into clients. If you're running a digital marketing agency and are looking actively for a white label service provider, feel free to get in touch. We have been doing this for 8+ years now and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.